Hi, I'm Kayleen McCabe. I'm a contractor, television host, and huge advocate for education in the trades. In fact, I'll be coming out your way to celebrate Vanguard-Sentinel Career and Technology Center's 50th anniversary. They're hosting an open house at their Fremont campus October 14th from 1 to 4, and we're gonna have building tours. I'll be speaking and doing some demonstrations, and we're encouraging the public to come on by and check out and see some great information about the education you can receive there, as well as the career opportunities. And alumni, come on by as well, say hello. We're going to have retired teachers hanging out, and if you haven't seen the campus in a little while, there have been some really cool renovations. So I look forward to seeing everybody October 14th from 1 to 4 at the Fremont campus. Come on by and celebrate with us. See you soon. Bye-bye.